new to me, but not new though. So I'll open it up and see what she looks like.
You know something? I feel this is my first victory over machines.
It's quite simple.
So it's all there. I picked it up secondhand. Got a bit dirty, but looks pretty good. I bought it knowing that it had a hit with the remote, but over here is a GTR remote. It started playing up from when I first bought my Carbon, so I'm going to pinch the screen out of that one and chuck it in that remote. So I'll get it on charge and take it for a spin. Dead remote, good remote.
It's quite simple.
Alright, so swallow that screen out. Perfect. Now I can see what's going on. Take it for a spin.
But I still say they're flowers. Tell them?
The weather is still so shit, so I'll try me luck in that car park. See how we go.
I'm afraid not.
But I still say they're flowers.
If you like.
Yeah, all good.